Hello, I would like to show a workflow where I just created this workflow for a hospital booking system where you can search our doctor records from Excel sheet. Here it is, all the doctor names and their specialization, their days they available and time. And after that, you can book an appointment on that will be published on calendar. And here is a demo, and especially it's also working for both. You can send him text. It will trigger on WhatsApp messages, text messages, and also it will trigger on WhatsApp audio messages. So it will work in a both way. And now let's start a demo. Hi, do you have any doctor? I would like to check up for my baby. Here it's running. Here I get the response. Okay, I would like to book an appointment. Okay, patient name is Vakas, and I would like to visit a Dr. Ali, and desired date will be next Tuesday, and time will be 2 p.m. It's okay. It will receive message. I make it public, so I don't have to click on execute every time. It's running all the time. Here I have a booking with Dr. Ali and my reference number on this date. Yeah, here it is. And in a similar way, it also works with the text messages. I would like to check up my cardiac reports. Do you have any doctor? So you don't have to give him the exact name of cardiologist. I just ask about cardiac reports. It understand and it send me this response. Now I can give him my detail uh, directly. I ask for booking, then I send detail. Here I will send detail directly. Patient name is Ali. Doctor Vakas. They will be next Monday and time 8 o'clock. Here it's created on Monday and time of 8. Here it is. Here I would like to show my workflow. First of all, it's a WhatsApp trigger. Then there is a switch. If there is a text message, then it will flow here. And if there is an audio message, first of all, it will download the download media audio message, and then an HTTP request to download that message, and then that message is sent to speech to text 11Labs. I just connected here my 11Lab account, and it convert my speech into text. Yeah, and then that text goes to a text classifier. From this text and this text, both text are going here in text classifier, and this classifier classify the text. Is that about find a doctor? Is that text about searching a doctor, or that text is about for creating an event? So after that, if it's about doctor search, then it will go here, and it will see. I use here Groq model, and it's have its limit is more than any other, and it's also free. Then I add simple memory, and here you can see my Google Sheet. All the records are here. So it search about doctor from this record, and then similarly I use this model AI agent for creating an event, and here you can see the event created, and hospital staff can see Google Calendar, and it will see how many booking and at which time which booking is available, and they can manage it. Thanks a lot for watching. Allah Hafiz.